hidden update for those that want to transfer their downloaded music from Audiomack or Boomplay to their main storage or their SD card. If you are such a one that have been looking for a way that and you have come across different type of video but they didn't work for you, this particular one is a new update that bypass all those strengths, those error, and when you follow this procedure you will be able to get it fully and move those files, those your downloaded file from Audiomack or from Boomplay to your main storage or your SD card. All you have to do is just to stay tuned. So there's this new update that applied to Audiomack, Boomplay and CS File Explorer, and with this update you cannot no longer move those files as it was shown in those trendy videos that are online. That is why I came out to share the new update on how you can move those your downloaded file. So if you are such a one that have been moving those music file before using your CS File Explorer and you face this type of error showing at this screenshot here saying under permission the selected folder is not the top level folder of the storage, please try again. If you have been facing such an error, this video is about to set it up for you. Is to set it to solve those errors so that you will not face it at all. Wait, it seems like you are enjoying this video. Why not just join the Okpotatv community right now by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow our other social media pages, and in that way you will never miss another video in this series once you have tapped the notification bell. And if you need more explanation in any part of this video, just head to the comment section below and leave a message, because we are here to help and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So let's continue our video. I can remember a DJ man known by his profession said out of 100% musicians in the whole world, 98% are in these two platforms called Audiomack and Boomplay. So any music you are looking for in the whole world, you must surely see it in these two platforms. As a DJ man or for personal use, you don't need to go around looking for how you can download those music into your SD card. And if you don't know the title, you can also use this app called Sharps and use it to shout the name. From there you search it on these two platforms that I just mentioned so that you can be able to download it to your SD card. So without wasting time, let's move to the procedure on how you can apply this tip for your personal use.
So I will drop the link for you to download the CS File Explorer on the description of this video or the comment section. So after you have installed it and open it, the next thing you're going to do is you come to this option showing main storage. You touch it, which is the first option. From there you come to this option showing Android. You touch it. From there you come to data. You touch it. Then from this option here now, you look for com.audiomack, which is the one showing here. com.audiomack. You make sure you look for this particular one. If you are using Audiomack, you look for com.audiomack. If you are using Boomplay, you look for com.boomplay. So I'm using Audiomack for this video, so I'm going to use com.audiomack. So once you see it, you touch it. Then it will show something like this to you, where it will ask you permission setting. Please allow the app to access the storage first by following instruction below. Tap use this folder button on the next screen. So if it shows something like this to you, the next thing you're going to do, you don't need to touch on this okay, just cancel it. So after you cancel it, it will show something like this to you: loading error, access denied. Then the bottom one showing open with system file manager, and you can see it here. So you touch on the open system file manager. Then once it shows something like this to you, the next thing you're going to do is that you come to this option at the top here, which showing data. You touch on this option showing data here. you touch it, this option here, you touch on this data. Then once you touch on the data, you wait for it to load. Then after the loading, you will see many folder at the bottom. Then you look for the one that start with com.audio, and you can see it here. You see com.audio here and another com.audio here. So out of these two, one is, if you have Audiomack Creator, you will have the two here. But if you only have Audiomack, you will have only one. So like me now, I'm using Audiomack Creator and the main Audiomack, so that is why I'm having the two here. But you that is using only one, you will only see one there. So I will touch on this com.audiomack here now. So after you've touched it, it will show something like this to you: create and file manager. So you touch on the file. From the file, you see Audiomack here. You touch it. So from there now, all the music that you have downloaded in your Audiomack, all the file, the music, all of them are the ones showing at this corner here. But from here now, you cannot play them here. The next thing for you to do is to mark all the music. You just touch it like this, you mark all. After you have marked all, then you come to this option showing share. You touch it. Then once you touch it, it will direct you to where you will see your file manager, like my file manager here, and you touch it. Then in that your manager, you touch your device storage. Then from the device storage, you select any folder that you can move them in. So from here now, I'm going to select on cool photo. So from here, then now and now touch it, save. So you can see I'm saving the there now. So that is it. So the next thing you're going to do is for you to go to your file manager. Then I'll go to my file manager from here now. Let me go to my file manager. So this is my file manager. Then I'll go to the main storage, which is the phone storage. From there now, you can see this full storage here. Remember the other time that I saved those files on cool photo, so I'll touch on the cool photo. So these are the music that these are the files that you copy from the hidden folder. So for you to make that to be playing as normal music, you have to hold on it. Then you rename it to the MP3 format. And for you to rename it to MP3 format, you hold on it on the file. Then you come to these three dots where you can rename the file, where you normally use to rename your files. So I'll touch here, then rename. Then under this rename now, you type the name of the music. So for example, let me type Okpotatv. Then the mp3 format, you put .mp3. So you touch on the OK for you to you touch on the OK for you to save the name that you just rename it. So you can see I've renamed it, and you can see the file that I've renamed at the under here. So let me play it for you to see that it has already been converted to mp3. So it will prompt me to where I will play it from.
DJ Whiteface, the man, the myth, the legend. You already know what's going on, man. Michael Montana squad up.
So that is how you save it.
If this video really helped you and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.